Fred from the Laptop Barn here. Our video today, we're going to show you how to get the password off a password protected BIOS. Now this video assumes you know the password. If you don't know the password, it's a whole different video. I'm going to put a few things down on the page below that are how we do that, and mostly involves calling tech support. You can get some, Dell's been pretty good. If you know the previous owner, you can get the password. HP and IBM, we've had some success with all of them. But this video assumes you know it, and I get a lot of my customers who don't realize how to reset it. So this is just a simple, quick fix to show you how to reset it. I'm showing a Dell Latitude laptop here, but the same process will pertain to all. I've just booted this up into setup by hitting the F2 key, and you'll notice there's an unlocked button and a lock key above that. First step to unlocking the password is to click on unlock, and then it'll ask you what the password is, and you type in whatever the password is and hit OK, and now you're allowed access into the system. On a Dell Latitude, what you need to do next is go to security, hit the plus sign next to security, and admin password. Now in the admin password field here, it allows you to reset the password. So the first thing you have to do is enter the old password. Now, in the next two spots, you'll enter what password you want to make it. In most cases, people are trying to make it so there is no password. So in order to make it so there is no password, simply do not enter anything where it says enter new password and confirm new password. Don't enter anything and hit the OK button. Now your password has been changed to no password. Simple as that. Hit the exit, and you're out, and now your password is now no password. And again, this all assumes you know the password so that you can change it to either a different password or no password. If you don't know the password, I've tried to put a couple of helpful links down below. The older laptops before this first or second generation of processors, there were a lot of software patches out there that would eliminate the password. The newer processors, starting with about the second generation of Core i series Intels, it's not as easy to do, so you'll need some help, and typically that's with tech support. Hey, this is Fred from the Laptop Barn. If you enjoyed what we just said, subscribe to us. That way you'll get an email every time we put out a new video. We do this to help our customers who buy laptops from us on the internet. We're one of the largest sellers of used laptop equipment on the internet. Thanks again.